Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Halloween Happy. If you are new here, my name is Sam. So recently I uploaded a planner video getting my planner ready for the autumn cozy season. So far I'm really loving it. I switched over to this planner cover. This is from Ara Estelle. It's an A5. I can't remember the type, but it's an A5 and it's in the whiskey color. I wanted to go ahead and do my September layout. I'm a little bit behind. It's gloomy. We just had a storm and there's some fog floating around, so I thought today would be the perfect day to do that. I'm also filming this a little bit later in the day, so the lighting's going to be kind of wonky. It was just too dark and it always looks brighter on my viewfinder, so if it's a little dark, my apologies. Gotta start out with the washi tape. This is what I like to do first because I just kind of like to outline everything, set up like a good border, and then I go in and put in all my little bits. Depending on when this video goes live on my channel, I did just post part 3 for my annual photo challenge, 100 Days of Halloween Happy. I pinned that on my Instagram, so it'll be up top so you guys can find it easy. I will continue to post the story stickers each day. If you're doing it, you can use those stickers to post your own photos, and then everyone can look through them and see them, because Instagram is Instagram when it comes to looking for like the hashtags and the recent postings and whatnot. So you want to see what everyone else is posting on the same day, definitely check out the story stickers. I already feel over caffeinated. This morning I decided to go to Starbucks and I got not one coffee but two. I got a pumpkin spice latte, oat milk, still get the whipped cream on top, and then I also got the pumpkin cream cold brew. It's in the fridge right now and I figured that was going to be like my afternoon treat, and then of course I'll probably not be able to fall asleep tonight. So usually with the month stickers I've been going with the black, but I feel like I kind of want to change it up, so I'm going with the silver and I really like how it looks. These stickers are so sticky, you have to be like really careful when you place them down. You have to be positive about where you want to place these. This is the pack from Recollections. It's just like their generic planner pack. So I'm also counting down the Fridays because depending on if I have space up top or on the bottom, that's where I kind of know I'm going to do more decorating. These stickers I'm using are new. A Halloween Happy Gold had sent them my way because she knew that I needed to get the dated stickers, but I also just hated my handwriting, so thank you so much for these. This washi tape, this was from Michael's a few years ago, I believe. It was also Recollections. And then my glitter washi tape is just from Scotch. I like it because it's just so bold. Then I'm gonna go through my little ephemera bits, little die cuts, just to kind of get a feel for what I want. And usually I'll start with a few pieces that I know I want to use on my spread, and then I kind of work around that. I also have this Happy Planner sticker pack that I don't use as much as I thought, just because of course it is for the Happy Planner layouts and I don't use a Happy Planner, so they are quite larger than what I'm used to. I need to organize this sticker album, but these are just planner stickers that I know I'll use, and I just like having them in this little album so it's easy to get to. Off the top of my head though, some of these stickers are from like Paper House, Recollections, Naked Eye Studio. I know in these planner videos I've been talking about what I'm currently watching or what I've recently watched, and now I need to know what everyone else is watching. Tell me the show that you're currently watching. What movies have you recently watched? Give me some recommendations. I need to start season 3 of Only Murders in the Building. I started watching the first episode of the new season, but I just haven't finished it or continued on with it. I really liked season 1 and 2. I don't know why I'm not in a rush to get through season 3, maybe because I kind of want to save it and not be sad when I don't have it to watch anymore. Just yesterday though, we did watch The Last Voyage of the Demeter. It was okay. I feel like it was a little slow. It lagged in most parts, I think. I like the main character. Seems like how it ended, they're going to make a sequel perhaps, or maybe they just wanted to leave it like that. I was hoping that we could see more of Dracula, and I was hoping for more like action-packed scenes, you know? I mean, if you get a chance to watch it, sure, but if you don't watch it, I don't think you're missing out on anything. Just my opinion. As far as reality shows, I don't know if any of you are currently watching any of the Real Housewives. Just started watching the New York Housewives as I was editing this video. I had to take a break so I could do this voiceover, but I wasn't sure what I would think of them. As I'm going through each episode and I watch it, I'm like, yeah, I'm gonna watch it. But then when I get some time away from it, I really don't have the urge to get back into it. I'm on episode, I think, 4. We'll see how it goes. The other ones that I'm also watching that are currently airing are Orange County and then also Atlanta, but they're just getting to the reunion and whatnot. The OC, they just did like a little episode at the pumpkin patch, and I think that's what got me into Housewives a long time ago, is that usually each show does like a fun fall and Halloween little party or gathering, and they always do like cool costumes and cool makeup, so that's always fun to see. Back to the layout, so I haven't really figured out a good way to use the monthly spread for like dates and whatnot. I kind of keep it basic when it comes to that because I focus more on the weekly pages. That's where I can put everything that I need to do. I can check everything off. And I think I really do love these pages. I got them from the Collected Planner, I believe. I need to order some new ones for the upcoming new year. I love the vertical layout on the weekly pages, but just because my handwriting is so big, I think the monthly spread is a little too small, like the squares and whatnot. I think that's why I just haven't really messed with it. I kind of just will make note when I've posted a new video and like payday, and then I think when bills are due, but the monthly layout, the purpose for me is just so I can decorate these pages. I also get some questions about if I decorate each of my weekly pages, and for the most part, I do, but I wouldn't say I go all out like I do on the monthly spread, just because I want to keep the space open to where I can actually use it and write in it. I've had some people who've wanted to see me decorate my weekly layouts, but it's just something that I end up doing either on a Sunday or a Monday morning, and I just do it real quick just so it doesn't look so plain and boring, and it kind of gets me motivated and makes me want to do things that I need to get checked off my list. I've thought about doing like a video. Maybe I can do each week, but then just put it all in one video. I feel like it's just not that much. I don't think it would be too entertaining to watch. As I'm finishing up, I just like to add these little tiny stickers just kind of throughout, just to break up some of the bigger pieces. And I got this little sticker pack. It's like a planner sticker pack from Recollections. It was a few years ago, and I ended up getting a few just because I knew that I would use these so much. And then the black little sticker sheets I think came from Target one Halloween season, which reminds me I have another Halloween haul coming either before this video or after, but then I have a huge craft haul that I need to film and also edit, and I got the cutest little craft things from like Joanne, from Michaels, I think like some things from TJ Maxx. I'm kind of excited. Well, I'm very excited to film that because once I film it, then I can put everything in my collection in my craft stash and start using it. So stay tuned for that. I also have a Hot Topic haul that I need to film, and then I'll be filming like a bath and body haul because I think as I'm working on this video, I believe the candles are on sale, and I have not purchased any Bath and Body fall items yet. Well, maybe sanitizer, but that doesn't really count. I've completed my September layout. Pretty happy with how it looks. I feel like maybe I should have outlined the squares like in black or orange or something just so it would pop a little bit more. But like I say, I don't really use this monthly spread for too much. I love how it looks in my new planner cover. I think it's like the perfect touch for fall. It's so cozy, so sparkly. I'm gonna add this little paper clip embellishment just so it brings some Halloween vibes outside of the planner since it is so plain on the outside. If you haven't watched my video of setting up my planner for fall, definitely check that out. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up. Let me know how you're doing in the comments. If you want to support the channel, you can join my membership or you can also check out my Patreon. Everything is listed down below. Thanks so much for watching. I love you guys. I hope this video finds you having a Halloween happy kind of day, and I will see you next time. Bye.